Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at the WAEC Further Mathematics Past Questions and Answers, or we'll be looking at the WASSCE July 2007 question number 9a. Right, so for July WASSCE that was written in July 2007, question number 9a, we have a radical equation, that is equation involving root signs, and this is the equation that we have. We have the root of 3s plus 4 minus the root of s plus 5 is equal to 1. And we have to solve this equation and find the value of s. So let's proceed to look at the solution to this problem. So we have the root of 3s plus 4 minus the root of s plus 5 is equal to 1. Now the first thing we do and we must do is to send this side of the equation to the other side. So we maintain our root of 3s plus 4 to be equal to 1, this one over here. Then we send this side of the equal to sign, this side of the equation to the other side, so it becomes plus the root of s plus 5. So from here we can square both sides. So this cancels this, so we have 3s plus 4 is equal to, now these are two different terms, it's like a plus b all squared, and if we expand this we are going to get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is the expansion. Using that in mind, it means our first term, my a here is 1, so I'll have 1 squared plus 2 multiplied by this 1 multiplied by the b, which is the entire of the root and everything in here. So I have s plus 5, then plus my b squared will be this squared, so that squared will give me just s plus 5, because the root sign will be taken care of by the square. So from here I have 3s plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 root s plus 5 plus s plus 5. So I have here 3s plus 4. I send this 1 to the other side, it becomes minus 1. I send the x to the other side, it becomes minus x. Send the 5 to the other side, it becomes minus 5. Is equal to 2 root s plus 5, the only parameter that is left on our right hand side. So I have here 3s minus s, that will give me 2s. I have here 4 minus 1, that will give me 3, minus 5, that will give me minus 2. So I have here minus 2 is equal to 2 outside bracket root x plus 5. Now if you look at this, before we begin to square both sides to get this of this root, we can see that if I divide through by 2, I can get rid of the 2 here and just have it simpler. So I'll do that. So I divide both sides by 2, so I'll have here s minus 1 is equal to this, get rid of this, so I only have s plus 5 over here. So from here I square both sides, so I have x minus 1 squared is equal to root s plus 5 squared. So with this expansion still in mind, it means here I have s squared plus into bracket negative 2x plus 1 squared is equal to this, to get rid of the root, so I have here s plus 5. So I have s squared minus 2s plus 1 is equal to s plus 5 over here. Now I need to move everything from my right hand side to my left hand side and equate the equation to 0. So I have s squared minus 2s plus 1 minus s minus 5 is equal to 0. So I have here s squared minus 2x minus s will give me minus 3x. Then I have 1 minus 5 will give me minus 4 is equal to 0. So now I have a quadratic equation for me to solve. So I have here the coefficient of the s squared term is 1, so 1 multiplied by negative 4 will give me negative 4. Now, which two numbers will I multiply to get -4, may add to get -3? So +1 and -4 will give us that. So I have here s squared plus x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here I can factor s out between these two. So I have x outside bracket, s plus 1, and I have over here minus 4 into bracket s plus 1 is equal to 0. So I now group this guy, so x minus 4, then s plus 1 is equal to 0. So the values of s is equal to +4 and s is equal to -1. Now, we don't know which of these two values of x will truly satisfy this equation, so we need to find that out. So we do that by substituting the value of 4 back into this equation and the value of -1 back into this equation. Right, so let's try that of 4. So we have here 3 into bracket 4, root of 3 into bracket 4 plus 4 bracket close minus the root of 4 plus 5. That will give me +1. So if I substitute s is equal to 4 back into this equation, it will give me +1 as my result. Now what happens if we substitute s is equal to -1? So when s is equal to -1, what we get is, if I substitute -1 over here, so I have here the root of 3 multiplied by -1 plus 4 minus the root of -1 plus 5. That will give me -1 as my answer. So you realize that when s is 4, we get +1 as the question gives us, but when s is equal to -1, it gives us a result of -1, which we don't want. So it means that our answer is s is equal to 4. So we now have to conclude that since s is equal to -1 does not satisfy the original equation, s is equal to 4 is our answer for this particular equation. So this is the solution to the problem that came during WASSCE July 2007 for question number 9A. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.